Hi everyone! Unang-una sa lahat, I would like to congratulate you for signing up on our online business program pre-registration. By the way, I'm Kim Gabuya, the director of this program, and in behalf of my colleagues in Dreamcatcher, we would like to welcome you. Alam niyo ba, hindi lahat ng tao nagtitake ng first step. Pero kayo, you already did. And that is something you should be proud of. Now let me tell you, this program is not just another online course. This is actually a business in a box system that is powered by AI. Created in partnership with Ascendra International, a pioneering company that is helping entrepreneurs build a real online business. The mission is simple. Makapag-start ka at mapatakbo mo ng mas mabilis, mas madali, at syempre mas successful yung online business mo. Here's what makes it different and better. Inside the program, number 1, you will get the complete guide on Facebook. Set up, no more guessing, what works, ano ba yung tama, ano ba yung mali, walang waste of money, just pure copy, and you're good to go. And number 2, a done-for-you marketing tools kung saan we will provide everything. From posters na ipong pa-post mo, creatives na gagamitin mo, content na magagamit mo to promote or market yung ating business. Number 3, a done-for-you proven sales script kung saan hindi ka na mag-iisip kung ano yung mga dapat mong isagot kasi provided na para mas marami kang ma-close na deal. Number 4, a done-for-you sales funnel na automatic magko-convert ng leads into customers. Number 5, a fully automated AI chatbot na sumasagot ng mga inquiries, nagpa-follow up 24/7 kahit tulog ka. Number 6, a cutting-edge platform kung saan magkakaroon ka ng access sa lahat, mamomonitor mo na lahat. Tools, updates, ang pinakamaganda, dropshipping system to. Meaning, hindi mo naiintindihin yung deliveries, hindi ka pupunta ng LBC, hindi ka pupunta ng JNT para ipa-deliver yung mga products na mabibenta mo online. Meaning, company na po ang lahat ng gagawa niyan. Number 7, world-class training and mentoring. Meaning, hindi ka na lang basta bumili ng system. And what's next? Dito, magkakaroon ka ng structured training from A to Z. Meaning, nag-uumpisa ka hanggang maging successful ka. Number 8, which is actually isa sa mga gustong-gusto ko. Mabibilong ka sa isang entrepreneur community. Both nagsisimula, mga taong naging successful na. Meaning, hindi mo to gagawin mag-isa. Yung journey mo from start to finish, from A to Z, kasama mo kami. And on top of that, ito yung pinaka-exciting part. You can earn unlimited referral commission ranging from 1,700 up to 40,000 pesos. And override commission hanggang 100,000 pesos weekly. Now imagine this, habang yung iba nag-experiment pa lang, naghahanap pa ng paraan, ano yung proven, ikaw meron ka ng proven system. Meron ka ng cutting-edge portal, meron ka ng mentorship, and meron ka ng opportunity to earn. Hindi ka na nag-iisa, hindi ka nangangapa. Meron ka ng tools, may automation ka, meron ka ng community na mag-guide sa'yo. Lahat nandyan na para maging successful ka. Ito na yung shortcut na napakaraming taong hinahanap. So pag nag-enroll ka ngayon, you are already one step ahead. With the power of AI technology and Ascendra International support, you'll have everything na. System, tools, funnels, script, income potential, all in one box. Can you imagine? So if you decide today, ito na maaari yung umpisa ng journey mo towards financial and time freedom, which is lahat tayo. Yan ang gusto nating ma-achieve. Guys, this is the future of online business. Kaya kung decided ka na and you are ready to move sa next step, add your success partner below and we will see you on the next room.